Namaste, fellow crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to CryptoXperts, the channel where we unravel the mysteries of the digital frontier. I'm Satoshi Nakamoto, the visionary behind blockchain technology, and I am thrilled to have all of you here today. For those who have already subscribed, thank you for joining us on this exciting journey. And to those who haven't, well, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button because you're about to dive into a world of crypto knowledge. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to spread the crypto love. Now let's jump into the heart of today's topic: how to choose the right crypto exchange in India. As the popularity of cryptocurrencies continues to rise, it's crucial to have a reliable and secure platform to buy, sell, and trade your digital assets. With the multitude of crypto exchanges available, it's essential to make an informed decision. First and foremost, consider the reputation and track record of the exchange. Look for established platforms that have been operating successfully for a significant period. This ensures credibility and trustworthiness in handling your transactions. Next, pay attention to the range of cryptocurrencies offered on the exchange. Different exchanges may have varying selections, so choose one that aligns with your investment goals and preferences. Additionally, consider the liquidity of the exchange, as higher liquidity facilitates faster and smoother trading experiences. Security should be a top priority when selecting a crypto exchange. Look for platforms that employ robust security measures such as two-factor authentication, encryption, and cold storage of funds. You want to ensure that your digital assets are protected from potential threats. Furthermore, evaluate the user interface and ease of use. A user-friendly platform with intuitive navigation will enhance your trading experience. Look for features like responsive customer support and comprehensive educational resources to assist you in navigating the exchange effectively. Additionally, consider the fees and transaction costs associated with the exchange. Compare the fee structures of different platforms and choose one that offers competitive rates without compromising on security and reliability. Allow me to present the top 4 crypto exchanges in India, ranked based on their features and user experiences. Topping the list is CoinDCX. With its wide range of cryptocurrencies, advanced trading options, and high liquidity, CoinDCX offers an exceptional trading experience. It also prioritizes security measures to ensure the safety of your funds. Next up, we have WazirX. Known for its user-friendly interface and high liquidity, WazirX provides a seamless trading experience. It offers various trading options, including spot trading and peer-to-peer transactions. Taking the third spot is ZebPay. With its long-standing reputation in the Indian market, ZebPay offers a user-friendly mobile app and web platform. It supports a diverse range of cryptocurrencies and emphasizes robust security measures. Coming in at number 4 is BitBeans. This exchange boasts an extensive range of cryptocurrencies and competitive trading fees. It caters to both beginners and experienced traders, offering spot trading, margin trading, and futures trading options. Adding the bonus at number 5, we have CoinSwitch Kuber. This beginner-friendly exchange focuses on simplicity and convenience. Although it may have fewer advanced trading features, it offers a seamless user experience and supports multiple cryptocurrencies. Remember, this ranking is subjective, and your choice should align with your specific trading requirements. Research and evaluate the features of each exchange to make the right decision. To wrap things up, choosing the right crypto exchange in India requires careful consideration of factors like reputation, range of cryptocurrencies, security, user-friendliness, fees, and community feedback. By taking the time to make an informed decision, you can ensure a seamless and secure crypto trading experience. Before we sign off, don't forget to subscribe to CryptoXperts and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest crypto insights, like share and comment to spread the word and let us know your thoughts. We appreciate your support in this exciting crypto journey. Until next time, my fellow crypto experts, stay curious, stay excited, and let's continue building a better future together. Jai Hind.